Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're updating the face of my BMW 535i, the F10 BMW. We're trying to replace the grille as well as do some changes to the V-brace. We're going to change the color of it. So this video is supposed to be quick because it's just a matter of taking off the old grille, reaching in on the inside, updating the V-brace, and then I think we should be done. So this should be a quick video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Go ahead, click like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will jump right into it. All right, so real quickly, this is what we're gonna be doing. This is the grille, and it is all black. The one on the car right now is all silver, and it's just a little too chrome for me. So this one is all black with better airflow. So we're gonna be replacing both of the kidney bean grille to the front. Now behind the grille, there's this black metal V-brace that you can barely see. There is also like a little flap that opens and closes. I think it's for aerodynamics with the car. I see a lot of people take those off. I'm not gonna take mine off. More than likely we'll be using this. There's some little plastic things that you need to pull up, and then we would be using a T30 torque bit, I believe, to take off some of the screws. So that should be all there is to it, I hope. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is lift this rubber piece up. Let's lift this up, get it out of the way. We've got the little clips here that need to be pulled up. We've got some screws that need to be removed, and then we'll be able to pull the bumper forward so that we can get access to the grille and be able to take it off without causing any damage. All right, so this little tool here just gets under this plastic thing. You just pull it up, you pull it out, and then for now you just set it to the side. Wow, that gave me a bit of a fight to get out, but it's out. All right, time to get the second one out. Ooh. Holy potatoes. This gave me a fight. All right guys, well, as you saw, that took some superhuman strength to get out, but I didn't break anything. So I did bring out some cleaner to clean the area here as well as the V-brace behind before I put anything back together, and I have some shop cloth. So let's just get that cleaned up first. Alright guys, so this is the product to cover the V-brace. It is basically 2 pieces of plastic, and then it comes with some adhesive. So I assume you put the adhesive in here to help it kind of latch on to the V-brace itself. Alright, so we've added the adhesive to the sticks, and now we're gonna go and just put them in. This should be relatively quick. All right, now some people take this off because it opens and closes. I'm gonna leave it alone for now. I think I'm gonna have some bigger fights to fight with this car, but for now, the V-brace cover is on. All right, so now I have the gloss black grille in my hand. It doesn't indicate which one is left or right, but it seems like this could only go in one way. I can't put it on the wrong side. So now let's just line it up with the holes in the bumper and just press it in. All right, time to do the second one. Let's line up the holes.